Hello guys, to yet another video of Hack and Code. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can send a password protected email through your Gmail account to your friend. So without wasting further time, let's get started. Okay, to do this, open your Google Chrome browser and type in your browser. I will leave the link in the description box, so check there and hit the enter button. After hitting the enter button, you will get a page. So on this page, click on add to Chrome button. It is a Google Chrome extension. Now click on add extension, and after few seconds you will get extension here. So as you can see, extension is added to Google Chrome. Now open your Gmail account, and here you can see on your Gmail account there is a log button. So previously there is no log button. This is your actual Gmail account, but after adding this extension you will get a log button. So to protect your email through a password, click on the log button, and here you need to type this recipient email ID. So I'm just selecting an email ID, test, and hi, this is a test, and click on send encrypted. Now here you need to give a password, and it is optional, password hint, and click on encrypt and send. Now the email is sent. Now go to the recipient email ID and you can see your email is reached to the destination. Now click on email, and as you can see, this is a encrypted form of your email. So refresh it, just refresh it to get the log button here, and after refreshing you will get the log button and decrypt message with password. So click here and give the password, pass, and click on decrypt, and you can see, hi, this is a test. It is a decrypted email. So as simple as that. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.